Infographics are excellent tools in effectively and quickly communicating procedures, rules, and expectations at work. Here are 6 different ways to design infographics for a smarter, more efficient workplace. From corporate internal communications to onboarding your new startup members. Number 1. Promote workplace safety and employee well-being. A workplace's break room or lounging area is where people congregate to eat and talk. For this area, it makes sense to have a workplace safety infographic at the ready. Create a graphic that illustrates exactly how to perform life-saving measures like the Heimlich maneuver or CPR. Number 2. Explain workplace procedures and processes. Create infographic handouts to tuck into employee training manuals so that new and existing employees can reference proper procedures at a glance. Number 3. Share your company dress code. Illustrate company decisions on things like dress code, footwear, makeup, facial hair, and body modifications with an infographic. Infographics are also a great way to show employees how to appropriately dress for safety if they work in a warehouse or construction site. Number 4. Communicate your company's vision and values. Research shows that a strong workplace culture can lead to higher employee retention. Why not create infographics that show exactly what your company stands for, or the difference your employees are making while working for your company? Number 5. Simplify scorecards. Scorecards are great tools to translate your company's strategy into clearly measurable goals. It also serves as a framework for managers to rate employee performance and serve as a coaching document to help spot growth opportunities. Number 6. Motivate employees and team members. Use infographics as a tool to motivate employees. Print out motivational posters to boost their confidence, or create self-improvement checklists to remind them that a little progress today will add up into something bigger tomorrow. There you have it. Link in the description box below for workplace infographic templates you can customize and download right away.